had a bleed from my right nipple, and I went to see my GP, who referred me to Mr. Paterson on the NHS. He fitted us in at the Spire Parkway Hospital within a few days. He removed the major milk ducts from both breasts. The trauma was, it was quite bad.
We notified Mr. Paterson, the Trust and Spire of her claim, and it's been added to one of the claims that is part of the case which is going to the civil courts in October this year. I was then instructed by another lady who felt very strongly that other women may have been affected by Mr. Paterson, and she asked me to put out a call for action. However, the women who had surgery in the private sector, and a lot of the time when they were deceived into having surgery in the private sector, such as Lesley, by being told that there was too long a wait on the NHS, those claims are still outstanding because Spire Healthcare, where the operations were performed, is saying that he was not their employee and therefore they're not liable for his acts or omissions. It was a mix of emotions. It was the conclusion of all those years of pursuing him, and the years where I used to think, he's going to get away with this, that they're not going to take the steps that are required.
Kashmir has been absolutely fantastic. Her support has been incredible, and if it wasn't for Kashmir, this case may never have come to light.
This man exploited the vulnerability of the women that presented to him. He manipulated them. He made them believe he was saving their lives when in fact he was carrying out all these unnecessary operations. If there's a public inquiry, although that may be a more costly way of investigating this at this stage, it will save public funds in the long run because it will make sure that lessons are learned and action is taken and steps are implemented to prevent this kind of thing happening again in the future.